Hello everyone, welcome to your art class. Today we are going to draw one waterfall landscape. So for that we need ultramarine blue or cobalt blue, any one blue you can use, lemon yellow, yellow ochre, sap green, black and white color. Flat brush, round brush you need for this painting and one color mixing plate. So now we are going to start. When you are going to start any painting on canvas surface is little bit rough. So that's why first we will give one thin coat of color. So here I am taking blue color and little bit water. I am making my color liquid and then I am covering the canvas. Full canvas I will cover. Any stroke you can take like this. You can do the thin layer of the color. Full canvas you have to cover. After covering the full canvas, let it dry and then you can start the main painting. Now we are taking sap green, blue and black. We are mixing these three color and now I am giving from the both side. See which place I am giving. That place you have to give this color mixture. Sap green, black and blue. No drawing is there, so that's why you have to go like this from the both side. Topmost corner, from this topmost corner you have to do till the down part and little bit blue space. Upper side little bit blue space you have to leave for the sky and down part for water. Now I am giving sap green, now yellow ochre in this down part, and now I am taking blue color and I am covering the water space. Little bit blue color I am mixing with that yellow ochre also. Now I am making sky blue color, blue plus white, and I am giving in the sky. Middle part will be little more light and both side will be little dark. That color I am using in this water part. So this is our base color. Now we are going to start give highlight. I am taking white color and I am giving standing hatching stroke, and see like this we can make the waterfall. Just I am taking white color and giving the standing hatching, and down part I am giving just I am dabbing the white color and giving in on the water part. Now I am mixing black, blue and white. That grey color, one kind of grey color I am giving from the both side for the rock. Now I am taking sap green color, I am giving it for the trees. All of you know for acrylic color, acrylic painting, you have to go from middle to light, and first you can use your dark tone, then middle tone, then light tone. Now I am taking lemon yellow and sap green mixing for the highlighted part of the trees, and see just I am touching my brush, flat brush, just I am touching my flat brush on the canvas and that texture will come like this, but I am not covering entire canvas, just I am touching it in few places. you can see light place, and you can also you can see the dark place. Now I am taking sap green plus lemon yellow, more lemon yellow, less sap green. Now I am taking that dark mixture, green, black and blue, that I am giving, that is the dark tone. Just now I told dark to medium, medium to light. This is the formula of our acrylic painting. From the both side, for the trees, we will give first this dark color tone, then we will give medium tone and then light tone. See, down part also I am giving little dark color. Now I am washing my brush. I will take blue color, only blue color, and I will give it on the waterfall. In our painting, if we are not giving that color properly, that light and dark color properly, then depth will not come. So that's why we need to give white color first for waterfall, then blue color, then again we will give white color for the highlighted part. See, I am giving white color. For highlighting the waterfall. Standing stroke, standing hatching stroke, you need to apply in this place. And down part of the waterfall, just you need to dab your flat brush. You can see I am giving white color highlighted part, and few space you can see it is blue. That depth is visible now. Now see, I am mixing little bit blue color and white color, and now I will give on the water, down water part. First you need to give white color, water, brush and color dabbing. Now you need to mix little bit blue color and white color, and down part, water, down water part, you need to give this strokes. Now we are showing that running water, what is going like this. Now I am taking yellow ochre for this part. This is the small land part, we can see. And I am blending the color properly, that lemon yellow ochre, that color I am blending with my canvas. Now I am taking lemon yellow sap green, mixture of lemon yellow and sap green, and I am giving on that dark space. So we are going dark to medium. See, sap green, I am giving little bit sap green. So here which color we are using? First we need to give sap green plus lemon yellow mixture, and then little bit sap green more. We need to blend that color. From the both side we need to do the same thing. Now I am taking lemon yellow only for the highlighted part or light tone. I am giving lemon yellow on the few places of the trees. I will cover it like this. From the both side you have to do. See, I am not giving on the every place lemon yellow color. I am giving little bit on the tree where light is reflecting. That part we can give lemon yellow color highlight. Now I am mixing black, blue and little bit white, and I am giving like this, like stone structure. All of you know near waterfalls so many small and big stones are there. That stones we will make like this, and see gap of that stone we can give little dark color, dark grey. Means you need to add little bit more black and less white, that will be dark grey. And see, now I am using little bit blue and white mixing for the highlighted part of the down water. You need to give that strokes, but you need to give the gap also, dark color gap. Now I am taking number 3 round brush and I am mixing blue, black and sap green mixture. Down part is already black. You can give little white color highlight or little bit grey color highlight. See, if you are mixing black, blue and white, it will be grey, and when it is going up, then you can take black and blue mixture. We are doing the tree branches which are visible using blue and black color. So from both sides we will do like this. We will draw the trees and branches using our thin brush. And that dark color we are spreading on the stone also. Now I am taking sap green and lemon yellow mixture. See, I am doing the grass stroke. How you will do grass stroke? All of you know standing line. So small standing line you have to do on that stone part. From the both side you can do. Now I am taking white color for giving little bit highlight on the water. Only white color I am taking. Just I am spreading little white color, not everywhere, few space I spread it. Now you need to give white and blue mixture in the sky, for cloud. And now I am taking blue color only and I am blending that white color. No, I am not blending it fully, little bit I am blending with the blue color. Thank you children.